Good morning, all viewers and listeners. Hey, I just wanted to get out word as far as, like I said, we're going to profile one a day, at least. The great lineup we have coming up for the TEDx Ashburn event at Smokehouse Live. Um, it's going to be a great time. We're going to kick off Smokehouse afternoon, or should I say early evening at 5. We're going to block out 5 to 8. And then you'll have Keaton, the band. I'll feature those guys later in the day, who are great 90s band, play great 90s music, and play Foo Fighters, for example. They'll follow us after we're done. So what I want to do today, one of the big things in the Loudon area, there's been an emphasis on, we say housing we can afford. So I don't want to say affordable housing, um, because one of the things that we realize is that labels get taken out of account when we say affordable housing. It's not always, something like Section 8, et cetera. It's housing we can afford. In Loudoun County, as I'm working on the project that I'm focused on related to creating a vision for multiple audiences. Won't talk about that in depth. But for the most part, we have one of our speakers who is going to be, I say, a big impact player in that down the road. And his name's Bobby Vance. And Bobby is guesting down at Virginia Tech as architect, director of architecture. And they've won an award that they're going to have to present new housing in Dubai in this big contest. Very creative approach on how do you construct, uh, and when I'm saying smart houses, not what we're just used to of tapping the nests and changing your temperature on your house or opening your garage, but finding modular home approaches that you can put together very quickly, slick, attractive, smart, innovative, and integrated modules that in the future you'll be able to walk in a Home Depot and say, or an Office Depot, say, hey, that's what I want for my room, and it can change very quickly, and automation is already included in the module. This is going to be off the chain. So what is that going to address? Some of the things that we are dealing with today, as far as maybe those who don't have access to housing um, at an affordable price. Um, for those who know, or we have a situation where we live, where 9 to 5, you don't have that live, work, play environment. So in order to do that outside of apartments or townhomes, you got to come up with new answers to block out places for people to live comfortably, smart, who have decent salaries. So Bobby can his group can address all these different needs, and he's going to talk about um, the product and the vision. So I'm really excited, looking forward to it for all those architects and business people out there who I've been dealing with. We're looking for what's next. This is one of the next big things. So I hope you make it. Once again, Bobby Vance is going to speak on creative ways as far as the next approach on flex space and cool design and housing. Like I said, if it's going to be up for an award at Dubai in that competition, that's saying a lot. I don't want to tip too much. All righty. So join us, TEDx Ashburn, The Brink. So this is one of those, The Brink on Discovery, on the next way we look at how do you build homes, whether it's the gentrification programs, how do you invest in real estate. It's going to revolutionize a lot of things on how we look at using space. All righty. TEDx Ashburn, The Brink, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. You can get your tickets at tedxashburn.org, or, at Smokehouse Live as well. Stop in to see those guys as the venue sponsor. Or go out on Eventbrite, and you also see it there on Facebook site. All right, looking forward to it. But the feature, Bobby Vance, and his unique approach on how he and his team are gonna revolutionize the message of live any place, anytime, anywhere. Take care.